Good morning. Morning everyone. We're in Picton. Yay! Yay! We checked out early this morning and we decided we'll come to Picton. It's a little bit windy, as you can see. I was like, oh. It's the land of the long white cloud, so we've got some crazy weather coming through, but we're just going to push on, explore Picton for a little bit, and then we're going to drive the Queen Charlotte Sounds drive, which will be gorgeous. I can't wait. Can't wait. I'm so excited. Let's go take a look. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Wow, look where we are.
It's honestly so breathtaking. Yeah.
This is called Queen Charlotte Sounds, and we were driving through and we saw a sign that said Aussie Bay. We're like, yeah, I think we should stop here and film.
It's a bit of a reminiscence of Australia. A little bit, yeah.
But it's just incredible.
It really is. Even look at, I don't know if you guys can see like the tree trunk behind us. It looks impressive.
Yeah,
But the mountains, the landscaping.
it's low tide
trees.
at the moment, so luckily we could get on the beach and film, but we have been driving for about 40 minutes. It's quite windy, but man, we're seeing some sights we never thought we would see.
Even though that we're from here, you forget how breathtaking New Zealand really is. Like, if you're not from New Zealand, you've really got to come and visit. It's just stunning.
Yeah. And this drive takes you from Picton up through towards Nelson, up over the Sounds, and why would you take the main freeway when you can see this? Like, it's just a hidden gem. And there's actually a campsite here. It's only $15 a night, kind of like freedom camping. Like, ooh, wouldn't mind doing that one year.
Yeah. 1 year. You mean a night or two? Or three?
Yeah, sometime down the track.
I think Cam's already in holiday mode. He's talking about wanting to camp for a year.
Well, I really want to paddle board and just go out there. It'd be pretty neat to just have Andre on the front, I'm standing up paddling, and we just enjoy the nature.
I think he just wants to push me off.
Well, that might happen if you're a bad boy. Well, we hope you've liked watching the B-roll that we've been adding in between this, but we are just so happy right now.
Yeah, very relaxing. I can't wait to just keep showing you guys more and more, because there's just honestly so much to film. So yeah, keep on following us on this journey.
Yep, and we're going to jump back in the car. We'll take a few more shots from different bays, but this is Aussie Bay, so we'll show you on a map where that is so you can picture it for those non-New Zealanders, but definitely come and check it out.
And enjoy us with our fluffies. We like our fluffies. Bye.
Wow, that is a kiwi pie. I got steak and onion, and there is huge pieces of steak inside it. What did you
with
get?
a little love heart. I got steak, mince and steak and cheese, and it was so good. Like, the gravy is so dark, the cheese is like, I can't fault it.
It's a beautiful mince. The pastry's really soft, and we thought it was just going to break everywhere, but it's actually doing quite a good job.
Yeah, it's doing really well.
And the sauce, the tomato sauce, was free.
No, that's like the first time that you've ever had to not pay for sauce. Oh my gosh. So if you guys are ever in Havelock, stop by Ray's Place, or I think it was Ray's Place or Ray's Cafe. It is so good. Like, can't fault it. Can you hear me, Fluffy? Oh, the sun's coming out. I like my Fluffy. Do you like your Fluffy? They're fluffy.
Look at these fluffies.
Yeah, I like them. They're really cute. They're like a little nose tickler.
Nose tickler. Here's my nose here. But Andre always shoves it in his mouth, so it sounds really loud.
Oh no, sorry.
And
I need to try and keep it down.
Hold
here.
it down here by your boobs.
My boobs. I don't have boobs. Maybe I do. It's all that Christmas, beautiful, yummy food that we've been eating. And your birthday dinner.
Oh. Shall we?
Yes, we shall. All right.
Where's your glasses gone?
In my pocket.
Oh.
Yeah. How do we do this again?
Well, I'll start.
Okay. I like the fluffy, 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 fluffy.